Hello guys, so today's video, try to fix my slime. What happened? This is from my dad. Try to fix my slime, guys. Activator. Alright. But I don't have activator, but I have one though, but three.
Stop drawing, stop.
Done. Wala. Okay guys, let's put some activator. If then I don't have glue, so I use shampoo and Colgate. Now let's put some activator. Just a little bit. A little bit. Pag-download ato. Turn mo master. Ka. Try to fix my slime, guys. Hindi siya magagawang slime. Uda. Daghan mo kayo kasi yung kamay ko siya. Baby, this one. Papalitan ko ni Papa Glue. Aron makapal. Aron makay mo kong slime. Kasi may slime. I just, it's a joke. Guys, Mary! Ang ingay mo. Pod ka, guys. Pod ka, guys. Make tayo slime. Too much. Wait lang guys, go to part 2 na lang. Karon kay pong part 2. Sorry, bye. Pagdali!